Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to drive GMC Terrain full guide. Start by adjusting your seat, steering wheel, and mirrors for comfort and visibility. Learn basic control locations like ignition, shifter, and parking brake, then fasten your seat belt. We will cover starting, smooth acceleration, braking, and simple parking maneuvers. I explain dashboard indicators and common settings so you feel confident behind the wheel quickly and safely. Practice gentle throttle control and light braking to keep rides smooth and predictable. Keep both hands on the wheel at the 9 and 3 positions and use mirrors and shoulder checks before maneuvers. Learn to modulate the brake for smooth stops and use engine braking on descents when appropriate. I will walk you through common scenarios like merging, highway driving, and city traffic to build confidence and safe habits. Learn how drive modes affect throttle response and gear selection, and choose the best mode for road conditions. Use cruise control for steady highway speeds, but remain attentive to traffic and road changes. Practice controlled steering inputs during emergency maneuvers and know how to recover from oversteer or understeer. I also explain basic maintenance checks you can do to keep your terrain running smoothly and safely between.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.